Obi Cubana no do pass this one, no. Hey, everywhere so.
James Brown controversial birthday post to Bobrisky and expose more of Bobrisky on his 30th birthday. My cry people wahala full ground o. Hey, before I go dey tell una wetin dey shele, make I first throway salute for all of una. Hello my correct people, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime when I throway ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, this matter when e dey for ground, the thing hard small in the sense that e be like say Bobrisky and this James Brown, they won't put leg for one trouser again. Everybody knows say Bobrisky dey celebrate right now. That is, im dey very busy na, im no able to get time for people. In short, e dey count the money when e be say dem dash am for the birthday celebration. And all of us still know say this James Brown, im with Bobrisky, dem no dey agree for the past 2 years now. We no really know wetin cause wahala for them. My people, the one when James Brown come do this time around, e be like say James Brown sef don dey pass a boundary. You see the kind ogbonge message when he sent to Bobrisky, and the thing don burst everybody head. In short, e be like say Bobrisky still dey count money. When he don finish, you go put this James Brown for where he belong to.
Obi Cubana no do pass this one, no. Hey, everywhere so. Everywhere. Bobrisky, you better come and be my friend in this Lagos. I'll show you the rain. Damn, guys.
Make e no come dey make live video later, make e dey talk say ejo make we join and put mouth to my people. This na the birthday post when he sent to Bobrisky, when everybody come dey shout say, James Brown, you too do this one. He come talk say, happy birthday to you, Bobrisky. I wish you more money to the money you said you already have. Let your birthday resolution be good characters and etiquette, and wish you tolerance towards good people like me. Others did worse though. There is a proverb my grandma used to say, when the two people fight, the one that apologizes first is the mature one, not by age or money, but by understanding and intelligence. It's not by age, it is by wisdom. If I have it my way, I will not fight with you. But you know, Ekwensu need a tool to seize war. And I still care about, even Jesus Christ care about his enemy. I wish you all the best. And most of all, wisdom, peace, and prosperity. My correct, I drop the screenshot for them. How now see that kind of message? How now see that kind of birthday wishes? When I think say, this James Brown now say, this na good birthday wishes, abi e dey take style dey insult, abi dey take style dey yab Bobrisky again. That na wetin a lot of people dey talk, because me, I no see any birthday prayer or wishes for that write up when he write. How na think am, how na see am? Una no dey think say this James Brown be like say e don dey pass the boundary, because anyway dem talk say na cow na e dey born cow, na goat na e dey born goat. Yes, like father like son. Na Bobrisky na him bring am up, na him apprentice, so e don dey display wetin him sabi. So my question now is that how e come be say this James Brown now, him be dey expect say Bobrisky sef e go invite am come this birthday when he dey celebrate, after all the yabbings and everything when he don tell Bobrisky. Him be dey expect say Bobrisky sef go come give am invitation card, make him come. If Bobrisky sef invite am for that kind thing, fear go let am go. He no go fear say dem fit give am otapia chop for there. My people, I no know why they talk and now be say a lot of people dey talk say this James Brown, he too do this one. When he talk, so he too talk am in the sense that a special day when he be say na special day for person, e kuku better sef say you no wish am happy birthday, no be by force say to wish somebody happy birthday. I don't know how na see am, how na think am. Anyway I know say Bobrisky, he never see the message or he go don see am, but we dey wait for Bobrisky reply. And if you see be say the thing still come, I go still come drop am for una my correct pipo. But the koko when e dey for inside the matter now, e come be like say they don expose this Bobrisky the second time. Una know say Bobrisky don first come out, e don take this yansh, e don take am boast well, especially that time when he tell us say he wan go do the yansh for Santo Domingo. Last na Magodo area for Lagos, na dem for come see am. That one never comot for some people belle. Bobrisky sef never even clear the air. He never make people understand say why things can't end up like that. Another one sef come join for this birthday celebration when they celebrate now. Una know say few days before in dey celebrate the birthday, Bobrisky don boast. He don boast tire. He tell people say this birthday na gbish. Say no be even Nigeria sef, no be the thing go hold at all. He say na France and na special people sef na he go come there. Abi una know here, I even do the video one time. Last now we come see say the same thing when he tell us for yansh. Say na Lagos na the birthday celebration sef come take place. My correct, as if that is not enough, another chat come leak when Bobrisky take dey tell the photographer when he be say he wan edit yansh, he wan edit laps and everything wey editable when e dey for e body, how he go take edit am. Say if he just come post the picture for a birthday, people go dey shock. People go think say he don really go do the yansh. My correct, this na the picture when e be say e leak when many people come dey talk again. Bobrisky sef come tell somebody come tell Bobrisky say happy birthday baby. Bobrisky come reply come say thanks, I dey drop the screenshot for una make una dey see am. Bobrisky come say thank two birds. He come put emoji when e be heart 3 places. Then the person then Bobrisky come tell the person say please you will do gigantic yansh for my picture. I want to post it for my birthday. Then the person come tell am say send the picture now. Then Bobrisky come tell am say you will hurry up. Then the person come do the editing. After he don do the editing, I will see the before and after. This one of the one if happen when Bobrisky come dey tell say don't go Santo Domingo, go do yansh. This one another one. This one another one when he do again, and when he talk say he want to do a birthday post. Una go see the before and after picture where dem do the editing come be like say one lap big pass the other one. I go see Bobrisky leg one slim well for there, the other one be like say the thing gather weight. That na where they pad am. Yes, my correct people. So that one come make many people dey holla say Bobrisky no fit change lie to lie. How long he will continue dey live all this kind of life? A lot of people dey disappointed say they no expect say Bobrisky sef he go continue dey lie like this, because dem think say the yansh when he take dey boast say finally say na this birthday sef na he go come show am to us. Instead dem see say na still editing, that is na still padding, na dem still dey pad am, my correct people. So a lot of people dey disappointed, while some people sef no dey disappointed, talk say they don already know say Bobrisky na so e wey be. My correct people, na me I come dey think, I come talk say how long Bobrisky will continue to live this kind of life, in the sense that if you see the posing when he post sef, even be like say the John Thomas, you can't take leg cross am when they take the pin am, maybe they will come take sellotape, come take pack the thing, they will come go hang am for where yansh dey, come go man for them, make the thing not fall. My people, e no easy o. The hustling not be small thing o, because that John Thomas sef, I dey even dey wonder say if e be say Bobrisky sef he can't change him mind, talk say tomorrow he won't change him mind, he want to live normal life. That John Thomas na sure say he go dey work again, because this thing when they be say that they stretch am every time, na vein na him dey for there. Every time they go pack am like packaging, go hang am for back, come take lap, hold am, all in the name of say person wan trend. My correct people, I don't know how na see and how na think am anyway. That one na im own cup of tea. I just still carry am come for una how e take dey hot. Say na this one be the latest gist when e dey ground about Bobrisky now. So how una think am? Una think say this one na editing, and abi una think say this one na the real yansh when he tell us? Because we know say Bobrisky go still come out tomorrow go talk say all of them na lie, say na yansh when he go do. Because me, I still dey think am personally say if e be say really Bobrisky do yansh, or maybe go comot Bobby, all those things when he dey talk until they treat people. If to say Bobrisky really do am, Bobrisky for not let them dey hear what for internet. Bobrisky is short, he no go dey wear all this boba rapper, abi this agbada clothes when he dey wear. na bikini na Bobrisky for the wear day and night. Now no Bobrisky now. He go dey show the thing. You no go even have messing at all. He go dey show the thing. So I believe say Bobrisky no really do anything. So people when they talk say that they dey disappointed. Each time when Bobrisky come talk say he do the thing, later they go come say na lie. They go say they dey disappointed. And the people say, na me are they sorry for because now suppose don't know Bobrisky how he beat it now. So my people, I want make una shook mouth put how na say and how na think am for that birthday post abi birthday wishes when James Brown wish Bobrisky. How na see am? That one na style take yabam abi na real wish. I don't know how I want to talk am because a lot of people they talk say this one na respectful yabbing. I don't know as I go take put am my correct people. So this Bobrisky now when be say they editing yansh every time na so different sizes. Now we dey see even reach when e be say they edit some self. Bobrisky now can't even talk say the thing too big go. That means say himself don't know say this thing and enough of everything. That is this one don't too do obvious. Everybody go just say and say this one na fake, not be real. So my people, make I leave una for here, make una self throw una own comment below at the comment section. I go see una very soon for my next video. If update still dey all this matter, I go still come drop am for now. I beg if you be say today na your first time when you come across my channel and you like my video and you never subscribe, I beg make you don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime when I throw ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. And una wan be my returning subscribers and my viewers, God go bless una for me. I appreciate una so much. I go see una very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.